Today I'm going to review and unbox the Vankyo Leisure 530 watt. Before I come back, please click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'll be back. I'm really excited today because I finally got the Vankyo Leisure 530 watt. It is 1080p HD projector that has Wi-Fi connection and a native resolution of 1920 x 1080, which is super cool. It's crisp and it is like having a flat screen HD TV. And the cool thing about this, it has the premium cinematic stereo built into the projector. So if you don't have speakers and you want to listen to the audio of your movie, your video games, you can listen to it through the projector itself. It has a built-in speaker, which is super cool. And it is also has the touch key design up here to control the projector. It's so much easier to have this touch key design when you want to control the projector. And it also have the electronic keystone correction button, so you can correct, the keystone position of the projected view on the wall or the screen. And I've been looking for this for a long time because I've been thinking about whether I should get a home theater like 80-inch TV or 85-inch TV. That's a huge TV, right? The problem with huge TV, they're really heavy. With this one, look at this thing. It's super light. You're probably wondering, can this really replace a home theater television? Of course it can. If you project it, to your wall, let's say you have 120-inch wall or just screen. It feels like you're gonna have like 120-inch TV, which is super cool. And I have like a blank wall in my room. I'm planning to mount it on the ceiling later on, but yeah, it's like I've been wanting to have a big large screen TV. But the thing is, it is super heavy and it's super expensive. And with the Vankyo Leisure 530 watt, not only it is small, it's a lot cheaper than having or buying the the large screen TV. The price that I want to buy was the 85-inch was around what, 1800, which is super expensive, right? And the thing about the large screen TV, it is super heavy and it's gonna take a lot of space, and it's really hard to transport the TV, right? With this one, super light, you can carry it anywhere you want. Anyway, let's unbox it now when I come back. Let's unbox the Vankyo Leisure 530 watt. Yeah, I'm really excited right now. And look at this one. It comes with portable projector screen. Can you imagine if you have 85-inch large TV? You can carry that TV from your living room to outdoors. Let's say you want to share movies and playing video games with your friends on a camping ground. You cannot carry that 85-inch home theater TV into the campground or outside your house, right? Let's say you and your neighbors, you have children and your friends, kids, and your kid wants to play a Nintendo Switch outside. You can just set this portable projector screen outside the house and let them play video games or watch TV, especially during this pandemic. You want to maintain social distancing. You don't have to be inside the house. You can do this outdoor. And with 85-inch large screen TV, you cannot carry the screen outside, the TV outside, right? It's because it's really heavy. I mean, you can if you want to, but it's not convenient. But with the Vankyo portable projector screen, you can bring this. Let's say you want to go camping, you can just bring this, which is really light. You can set it up outdoors, and you can do it outside your garage, in your front yard or backyard for a party. This is super cool. I'm really excited. The size is 100-inch, and you can even get the 150-inch and the 120-inch. But 100-inch, screen is pretty big. Okay. So yeah, let's check it out. What they have here. Oh, it has the manual right here. Okay. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, it has, okay, another Okay, promotional, quick start, which is really cool. And bunch of screws that you may need. Okay, let's check this out. What they have here. A power cable, which is really important. HDMI cable. Oh, look at that. It comes with a remote. And the projector, which is super cool. And cleaning kit. So let's check it out. Let's take a look at the projector. The cool thing about this projector is, look, it's really small, right? Look at my 32-inch TV. Look at the size of this projector. It's actually really small and it's pretty light. Let's say you want to take it to the office. Oh, that's another thing I forgot to mention. Not only you can do this for your home theater, for playing video games or watching TV, you can take this to the office to do office presentation. So this is like the best, projector for different kind of tasks. You can bring it to the office, which is really light and it's really tiny. You can put it in your bag and carry it in your backpack. And if, let's say, you want to do presentation in the office, and you can bring this to the office, and you can also use it at home. And the cool thing about this, it has, look at that, multiple connectors: USB, HDMI 1, HDMI 2, and AV. And let's say you want to use headphone, you can connect it right here. So yeah, this is really beautiful design. I mean, for this size, it is a pretty powerful projector. I remember when I did a presentation a while back, the projector that I had was really big to get this kind of quality. So Vankyo really comes a long way. So when I come back, let's set it up and see how this thing works. I'll be back. We just finished setting up the 100-inch screen. Can you imagine? This is 100-inch screen right here. Imagine if I get the 120-inch, it will be like pretty wide. So you can't really say like, oh, 100-inch is really small. Actually, 100-inch is really large screen. So look at this. I'm right here in the middle, and that's the screen that we just set it up. It's pretty easy. I mean, you can get a thumbtack. We use a thumbtack, and there is a mounting kit that comes with it. So since the thumbtack was a lot easier to use, we use thumbtack to mount the screen. So look at this. It's like having 100-inch TV. So yeah, I'm really excited. It's really fast to set up. Anyway, I'll be back when we set the projector up. Hi everyone, my daughter set the Vankyo projector with her Nintendo Switch right here. It's pretty easy. You just have to connect the HDMI connector to the Vankyo HDMI 1, and check this out. She can play her Nintendo Switch Fire Emblem game, and the quality of the projector is really amazing. Look at that, how sharp it is. It's like having a 100-inch large screen TV. And look at this, you can play this in HD, which is super cool. And look at that. Wow, that is impressive. That is super impressive. And you can invite your families and friends and play a Nintendo Switch or PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5, which is super cool when you can have everything, in a large screen TV. And the sound is really impressive too for a unit this small. And look at that. Wow, I'm really excited, guys. We can scrape off the what do you call it? Hi everyone! Not only you can play video games with the Vankyo projector, you can also watch your favorite movies by projecting your screen to the projector. In this case, I projected one of my videos to the screen. And the cool thing about the Vankyo projector, it has the screen mirroring feature. You can use it on your Android phone and then send the signal to the projector, and the projector will project it to the screen. It's super cool. You can watch your favorite movie on 100-inch screen. That is so awesome. Instead of having a big screen TV, now you have just a really nice large screen. which is light and it's easy to carry anywhere. You can even bring this outside or to the camping site and check that out, how big this thing is. Isn't that amazing? So anyway, I'll be back. I hope you enjoy this review and unboxing video. Make sure to click the subscribe button and the like video, and I will put the link where you can buy the Vankyo 530 watt projector, and it's really cool. The screen mirroring for Android system is just super cool, guys. So you can watch your YouTube videos, your favorite movies, your Netflix movies, right, through the projector on your 100-inch TV that comes with the projector. So it's super cool, guys. I think this is the way to go. Instead of buying like big screen TV, this is really light. Look at that. You can carry it anywhere. You can bring it to your friend's house. You can take it to the office, and it's really portable, and it is very powerful for the size. So anyway, love you guys, and make sure again subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, and give this video a thumbs up. Bye.